Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to talk about the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker gets IPX7 waterproof resistance, and you also have this feature called Party Boost that lets you pair two of these speakers and enhance the music experience for everyone around you. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Flip 5 from JBL. So this tall box is what you get with the Flip 5 from JBL, and as you can see, it's very colorful, most like every other JBL products that we've seen over the past few months, I would say. And this includes their Bluetooth headphones, their speakers. Most of their audio accessories have this colorful, spunky feel to it, and the Flip 5 is no different that way. So this is a tall box because you've got this cylindrical shaped speaker, as you can see with the design of the speaker on the front. This is the white color box, but we've got this reddish color variant of the Flip 5 with us. So we'll start with the unboxing, but before that we'll talk about some of the features that JBL wants to highlight about the Flip 5 speaker. So this offers you 12 hours of playtime. So with a single charge you can actually use the speaker for up to 12 hours. That's quite decent, but more importantly, you can actually carry it for your pool parties or outdoor trips and not worry about water splashing and damaging it, because it gets IPX7 waterproof resistance. So that's something which is ideal, and one of the very strong points about JBL speakers is that you get those kind of durability features, and it's good to see Flip 5 getting them as well. The other more important highlight part about the speaker is the JBL Party Boost. Now Party Boost is something that you'll see a button on the speaker, and when you press it and you pair two of these Flip 5 speakers together, you enhance the music experience in the room, and you probably get a more stereo kind of a feel to your music that's playing in the speakers. So now let's open the box and see what all JBL is offering for us inside. It looks quite a compact box, I must say, and there you go. I mean, you look at this box and you clearly understand and feel that this is something that JBL is really looking to take care of in terms of packaging, and they've done a lot of there's a lot of thought gone behind the whole design and packaging thing. So this is the speaker. This is the Flip 5 speaker from JBL, as you can see, and this is red in color, and it's got this JBL branding right in the center. Then you have JBL logo on the sides with the JBL mentioned as well, and then you have these control buttons, which is this is the Party Boost, this is the volume button, and this is the play button. And then you have the power button and the Bluetooth button, and then you have this Type-C port which is used for charging the speaker, and then you have this handy strap that can be used for you to strap it along to your bag or cycle or whenever you're headed out somewhere. So this is the speaker from JBL. Then in addition to this, you also have a neatly wrapped case which includes a lot of these paperworks that you usually get with electronic stuff. So you've got this safety guide. So now safety guide is something that Bluetooth speakers, they run on electricity more or less because they're built with a battery inside. So if you have any issues and if you face any problems, you can go through the safety guide and you can fix those issues, or probably just before heading off to a service center to get them fixed. So that's something JBL is offering. Then you have the quick start guide. Now Bluetooth speakers are very common these days in the market, but still there are still a lot of people who've relied on traditional audio formats. So if you are someone who's new to the Bluetooth speaker ecosystem and you want to try out and understand how this whole device thing works, so you can go through the quick starter guide. You'll get basic information like how to pair the speaker with phone, which all phones it can work with, how does the buttons work, how do you charge the speaker, so on and so forth. So that's there. And then you have this bundled black color USB Type-C cable. Now this Type-C cable is primarily there with the USB Type-C port that we showed on the speaker, and you can use it to charge the speaker as and when you require, and you'll probably get an idea when the battery is low because the speaker clearly tells you about those things. Then you have the warranty card here, and then you have this powder dry thing. So this is something that most of the electronic devices come with because it's more of a safety hazard than anything else. So these are all what you get inside the box with the Flip 5 from JBL. So as you can see, like every other electronic device that you get in the market, Flip 5 comes with the bare essentials, like you have this quick startup guide, then you have this charging cable that's bundled inside the box, and you have the safety guide as well to help you understand the safety parameters that you have to follow while using something like this. And then you have other things like this neat packaged case within which this cylindrical speaker comes in. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.